My channel. This video is going to be in continuation of our how to braid numbers series, and we are braiding number 5, having braided 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to do this, we section off the top bar of number 5 just like this, and then we're going to section off another part just next to it but a little bit bigger. This time around we are going to cut off the beginning part and make it different, and then while cutting off the second part you make it curved just a little bit. Make it a little bit curved like the top belly section of number 5, and then when sectioning off the bottom part, ensure that it is like a C curve so that the number 5 can come out perfectly. So after the C curve, we can now start braiding. While braiding, you try to stay on the outer edge of the curved part so that it can appear more curved. And so we start braiding from here. If you are interested in any other number, it will be up on my channel. I also have braided the alphabet A to almost at Z at the moment, and very soon the complete videos will be on my channel, although I have A to W on my channel now. So if you want to braid words on your baby's hair, on your hair, I have it covered. If you're interested in braiding braided hearts, braided flowers, braided butterflies, I have all of those on my channel. Just look around, I am sure you will see several things you are interested in. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. You can leave a comment to let me know what you think, and subscribe if you think you can relate to any of this content. Thank you so much for watching. This is what I came up with. You can accessorize your number with golden studs or with braiding strings or whatever you want. Thank you. Check out the other videos, numbers and letters. Bye baby.